Good morning, happy Sunday, y'all. I'm ready to go to Bath and Body Works. I'm finna do like a price adjustment, like a return rebuy, because yesterday I got these candles for $11.95, and this morning Bath and Body Works released a 20% coupon. I need that little money back. I'm just saying, it just feels better for me when I get my candles under $10. So yeah, so I'm going to get the price difference. So yeah, I'm going back to do that. In the sense that I actually was gonna wait and do a haul on this, but I just got 2 of the vanilla Santal candles because I really like it, and I don't think this is a candle that will come back, so I kind of wanted to stock up now. And I don't think these candles are gonna go 75%. I don't think. You never know, closer to the end of the sale they might. But because today is, what's today's date? Today is the 19th, and 14 days out, like around 4th of July. So if they mark them down anytime around that, I could still do like a price adjustment on all of my stuff. You know, if they go like 75% off, yes, I most definitely will get a price adjustment. But I really don't think that they will. I think it's gonna be probably a month from now for these candles to really be on a deep discount. Once they start putting like the fall stuff out, that's when I could see this stuff being highly reduced. But as of like within this whole semi-annual, I really don't see it. I really don't see it. So I'm getting ready to go up to the store. I'm gonna grab 2 more of that rose water and ivy and mahogany teak wood candle, because I noticed that the candle is selling out in my area. And the crazy part about it, I really didn't think that candle would do good, but in my area it looks like that might be the first one to leave. I'm super shocked. And if you haven't noticed, they don't even have it on the website anymore. It is completely sold out online. So if you haven't got your hands on the rose water and ivy mahogany teak wood, that whole blend collection, if you haven't got your hands on that candle yet, I highly recommend it, because it is nice. It is a nice candle. You don't want to regret not getting it. You know, like sometimes people, like right now you might not like it, but trust, a couple of months from now, you're gonna wish you had it. So I highly recommend, with this whole blend collection, with that whole fun fur or whatever it's called collection, I highly recommend that y'all grab at least one of those candles. I'm just saying, because you'll be highly disappointed once these candles leave Bath and Body Works. Then you have to go to the resale market and buy them, and you know that they're gonna be extremely high. I'm just saying. So I don't think that these candles probably will come back. Well, this mahogany one, it might, because they love to blend different things with that mahogany teak wood. So that candle, it might come back. As far as like those other ones, I don't know. I could see that champagne toast and fresh orange, I could see that one coming back. I could see the spice vanilla and Paris Cafe, I could see that one coming back. But as far as like the other ones, I really don't see it. Like that pineapple one, I don't see that one coming back. So yeah, I mean, I recommend them. I like them all, to be honest. So yeah, let's head on over to the store, because I'm drawing this out. I don't even know if I'm put this part in. So let's head to the store before it get too crowded and too late. It's 11 o'clock right now. My store is just open, and it's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get to the store. So let's head on up there so we could see if we could find any more 75% candles and any treasure finds. So let's head up. Okay, y'all, my first stop is HomeGoods. I'm finna go in here really quick. It's not gonna be long. I'm just going in here really quick to probably grab maybe 2 things, and then I'm back out the door. So let's head in here. The last time y'all been to the movies, the theater? It's been a while since I've been to the theater, so let me know. When was the last time? When was the last time you stepped out and went to the movies? So yeah, I'm gonna go into this Bath and Body Works real quick. I got my bag. We're gonna see if they have anything. I haven't been here since they did the 75% 3-wick candles. So we're gonna see what we can find. Let's head on in here. Doesn't look like the mall is super packed, which is always a good thing because I'm actually an hour late. So yeah, let's go up in here and see what we can see and see what we can find. Okay, yeah, I'm back in the car. Yay, yay, yay. Woo, I didn't think that was gonna take that long, but it did. I got my price adjustment. I am super, super happy for that, of course. Super happy for that. And my receipt, my receipt is so long, y'all. Look how long this thing is. I can't even fit it in the whole thing. Look how long my receipt is. That's crazy. That is crazy. I did find a gem, and this is a candle that I truly love, and I didn't even know that it would ring up that much. Somebody must have brought it back because this candle rung up for $3. I don't know why. This one rang up for $3. Well, actually I paid $2.55 for this. I don't know why it rang up cheap like that. I have no clue. But I paid $2.55 for this candle, the sugar pecan pie candle. $2.50. And you best believe I went back to that table to see if I could find anything else, and it was nothing. It was just this one. This is one of my all-time favorite candles. I absolutely love this. It is so good, so buttery. This is a good candle. If you don't have this in your collection, you most definitely need to have this in your collection. Hopefully it'll come back next fall. If it do, make sure you grab it, because this one right here, this is a winner. This is a champ right here. I'm just saying, I love it. So that was my gem or my treasure find for this trip, this walkthrough. So yeah, and I most definitely did a price adjustment, and I used that 20% coupon. So make sure you're getting your price adjustments. Now is the time. Why not? You know, and I did buy a couple of extra items. I bought some of the aromatherapy because I felt like it's starting to sell out in my area. So like things that I really wanted to get, like this collection, I really like this rose tangerine collection, but it's starting to sell out in my area. So I just went on and got it, and hopefully it go on sale. You know, just like the Kakai Rose, I really like this, and this was the only one in that store. So I just went on and got it, and I think I paid like maybe $5, I think, for it. It wasn't too bad. Yes, I would have loved to get it for a little bit cheaper, but sometimes you just gotta go ahead and pull the trigger and go ahead and get it, or you're gonna miss out. So because they had the 20% coupon, since they gave us that 20% coupon, I said, why not? Just go ahead and get it. It's something I really want. So yeah, I'm trying to find it on this receipt. Yeah, it was $6.20. That's still a little high, but I don't think they will have it around when it finally do go 75%. I don't think it's going to be around. So if you know it's something that you truly want, I highly recommend you go ahead and buy it at 50%, or you might miss out. I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you get your price adjustment today with the 20% coupon? Or are you gonna try to wait until they mark the stuff 75%? Have you bought any 50% items because you're scared that they're gonna be sold out like me, that aromatherapy? I just went on and got it because they gonna sell out, and I don't want to take the chance. So I went on and grabbed some. They didn't have everything that I wanted. You know, I really wanted another thing of lotion. I wanted the Luxe bubble bath in that rose tangerine. They didn't have that. This was actually the last bottle they had of this Luxe bubble bath. I wanted this in the rose, and another bottle in, I wanted this in the rose cacao and another bottle in the rose tangerine. They didn't have it. They didn't have it. So I just said, I just got what I could get. You know, people selling out, and I don't want to risk the chance. So yeah, leave that down in the comments. Are you doing a price adjustment? Or are you buying your favorite items at 50% and just going to hold on to them until it's time to just get that price adjustment? I didn't have to bring all of the products. As long as you have your receipt, they will do that adjustment with your receipt. So that's how I did mine. Leave me some comments. Let me know how your semi-annual sale is going. You know, your semi-annual treasure hunt is going. Leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Thumbs up the video. Hit the notification bell. And then I guess I'll see y'all in the next one, because I got a couple of more stops that I need to make. So I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.